In this video, you'll learn how to create a numbered list in Slack. By following these instructions, you will be able to effectively organize your messages using numbered lists, which can enhance clarity in your communications. Begin by navigating to your Slack application. If you are using the desktop version, open the app directly. For web users, go to the Slack website and sign in with your credentials if prompted. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during this process. Once you are in Slack, locate the channel where you want to create your numbered list. To do this, look for the list of channels on the left side of the interface. Click on the channel name, which will take you to the conversation area. Ensure you are in the correct channel before proceeding. Now that you are in the desired channel, click on the message input area at the bottom of the screen. This is where you will type your message. Begin by entering the text you want to include in your numbered list. You can type a brief description or title for the list to provide context. Next, to format your text as a numbered list, look for the formatting options located above the message input field. Click on the icon that resembles a numbered list. This action will apply the numbered format to your text. You will see the numbers appear next to your text, indicating that it is now part of a list. After formatting your text, review the list to ensure everything appears as intended. If you need to add more items, simply press Enter to create a new line and continue typing. Repeat the process of clicking the numbered list icon for each new item you want to include. Once you've finished creating your numbered list, click the Send button to share your message with the channel. You will see a confirmation that your message has been sent, and the numbered list will be visible to all channel members. Make sure that the list is formatted correctly before sending. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.